What the heck is that?
We're about to see. Look, looking around. Looking around.
Dang, how'd he build that buggy?
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are here at the new Goon Squad house up on the mountain, and today is a super exciting day. As you guys can tell, we got a bunch of contractors out here. Mainly the electricians are out here, and who else? We got the HVAC guys, and they're knocking stuff out left and right. We got our contractor right here. He pulled up in his brand new, what is this, dude? Where did you get this, man?
I found this on the side of the road.
No way. Are you serious?
It's a camper mobile right here, dude.
Camper mobile, Rhino Line Subaru. This thing is super capable. I think that's one of the electricians, right? They love their Subarus, and they just, I guess, what's he doing?
Camp out in it, dude.
Camp out of it. But anyways, right here are some can lights that we brought over here. We're just going over the whole entire just lighting situation here. Step in here, man. Come on, tell them what we're gonna do with this house. What are we gonna make it look like?
A spaceship.
That's right, we're gonna make it look like a UFO or
We're
something.
gonna light it up, son.
Yep, so like we're gonna light it up by basically throwing in a bunch of lights into the soffit on the exterior and interior. We're gonna do some cool stuff like with the steps or whatnot. Make some crazy stuff like motion, intelligent motion, where you walk up the stairs and it lights up.
The whole house is gonna be AI.
AI, artificial intelligence house right here, and we're just trying to make it nice. That way, you know, we don't miss out on any lighting opportunities. What do you think right here?
I mean, you already need more lights. You didn't even buy enough can lights, and we went through the house, and they're like, we're gonna want
half the cans.
Half the cans right here, which you're gonna have to hop on Amazon and order a lot more.
Because the electricians are gonna knock it out in what? How many days?
2 days.
2 days. The HVAC guys are gonna knock it out in today?
Yeah, they're gonna be done today.
Who's next?
The only thing we're lacking is the sprinkler system.
But they started on it.
Yeah.
So they started on that. We're gonna show you guys the whole entire setup. We're gonna show you guys what's going on inside, and then I think we're gonna probably run to the new Goon Squad garage, or we might make a major announcement. We got a huge announcements today, but you know what? Well, I guess we'll just see where this video takes us. Let's just go ahead and show you guys what's going on inside. We'll go from there. Alrighty guys, check this out. We finally got an AC unit on the outside of this building, connected and all, and it's running and it is perfect, dude. Dude, it is perfectly silent. You can't even hear that sucker, man.
This thing, it's already producing water. See, in a couple of seconds right here, I don't know when it does it, but it produces quite a bit of water for AC unit. I'm wondering if that's probably because
look at that,
how hot it is outside. Ooh, that's nice and cold right there, dude.
Wow,
you feel that? I wonder if that's drinkable. You know what I mean?
Try it, man.
I'm scared, dude. I don't know what that's coming out of.
It must be like distilled water or something, but it's basically like a dehumidifier right there, which kind of gets me thinking. I was actually researching about getting water for the mountain, and there is one more like option. We could actually buy an atmospheric water generator that pulls water out of thin air.
That is just crazy right there. So that's possible. I mean, it's kind of like, you know, a dehumidifier in your house, you know, it collects a lot of water, it just grabs it from the air, but on a larger scale, right?
Exactly. They actually developed those for the military, but now some guy actually like made it for like residential use, and like he really wanted
Yeah.
to use it for countries that don't get water, like Africa, dude. They don't have
Smart.
water, but they have like humidity.
Yeah.
So, dude,
pull it out of the
pull
air,
it out of
you
the
know,
air, man.
very smart invention. You're actually like going back and forth with the company, and we might end up doing that instead of like rainwater or something like that. I'm running, I think my well went dry like this week because how dry it is. It's been dry for like a month already, which I don't know, man, it's crazy. So I might have to collect some rainwater or get that system or buy 100 dehumidifiers and collect that water, dude.
Or buy a big old water truck, dude.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. We're gonna have to figure something out. It's crazy how we don't even have water. But dude, do you feel the difference? As soon as you walk in here, it's 10 times cooler in this office, dude.
It's like an ice box up in here, but this right here took us how long, dude?
All day from the morning to now. I mean, we did kind of get a late start, but you know what? We were nonstop trying to figure this thing out, drilling holes, cutting holes in the metal, running all the lines. It was pretty difficult running all that through the walls and stuff, making it nice and neat. That way, you know, it passes our final inspection and everything like that. But dude, it's finally working.
Dude, this is gonna be a nice cool off spot right here, and it did take a lot of time, but you know what? We saved a lot of money.
A lot of money. I believe they quoted us like over like $6,000 to run HVAC in here. That's like running duct work and all that stuff. But we're like, we're gonna do this right here. It's not like we're gonna be living in here, so this is just gonna cool off the office and whatever else. I mean, you're gonna come in here and just use the bathroom or just go to the kitchen, get you a snack, get you some Coke or whatnot. You know what I mean?
That is right. So we got that knocked out, but I think we're gonna move on to the next thing, which is gonna be, of course, working in this office and what, man?
Dude, we need to get our kitchen going. You know, our granite, whatever, is gonna be in here really soon, so we might as well go ahead and get a fridge. I mean, we need a fridge out here. It's hot. We need some cold drinks. We need our dang sauce stacked up, our oven or our microwave. We need to find that stuff. So we're probably gonna run to a local Home Depot, maybe even Lowe's, and see if they got anything in stock.
Alrighty guys, so it is actually the next day here, and yesterday we went to the Home Depot and Lowe's and we finally found all of our appliances, and they're in over there. They're not fully installed because we actually got to grab a few other little components in order to actually complete that setup. But also this morning I went ahead and brought the Viper out here because I mean this sucker was just getting overgrown with grass. So I was just like, dude, let's bring it over here where it's gonna be nice and preserved, and this thing absolutely rips. And I think we're gonna go ahead and probably store it on that triple stacker, maybe on the very top or the middle or the bottom. We'll figure that out here in a little bit. But anyways, let's walk this way. We already showed you guys the camera system. We're already picking things up left and right. And we found somebody that built like a sand dune buggy type of ordeal. What would you call it, dude?
Dude, man, just a, I don't know, it looked like a cart that you pull around, but it had some massive tires on there, dude.
That thing was pretty cool, actually, man. We might have to get in contact with that person and get him to build some stuff for us. But we're just checking the camera system, and we've only seen that one action thing right there. You know what I mean? We've seen a bunch of other stuff, but it was just people passing by, walking by, and then we seen like some trash appear right there. And you know, we seen who it was. So you know what, you're exposed right there.
I mean, keep an eye out. You know, trying to clean these streets up, dude. It's hard to clean these streets up, man.
That's just illegal, man. Why would you dump a whole mattress right there? You know what I mean?
Wait, there's a mattress over there?
I think that's a whole mattress. Yeah, that's a whole entire mattress. That's what they dumped, or a whole sofa.
Yeah,
that was a whole setup for a living room, dude. We might actually go pick that up and put it in here. Maybe actually It was a gift. Now, who knows? But as long as it's not on our property, that's the most important thing. But we are keeping an eye out. But anyways, let's jump into the office over here.
Dude, go ahead, dude. It feels like a freezer in here, dude.
Let's go, man.
I think Pops maybe...
Pops is using the bathroom. I ain't got no doors yet, Pops. But it's fine. You lock both of these doors if you got to use the bathrooms here. So as long as we have toilets. But anyways, we got this oven right here. Beautiful oven. I think this sucker was like $700. So we got the microwave right there. We're going to set it up here in a little bit. And then we got this nice Whirlpool refrigerator. This sucker is a beast. There's something inside of it that we will show you guys a little bit later. I say we run to the store, grab all of our components that we need, finish installing all these appliances. Then we got a major announcement. Say hello to my little friend. Look at that, guys, right there. We got this refrigerator full of some dang sauce minis. That is right. As you guys know, we were saying that we had a major announcement, and here it is. After we installed all of our appliances, got everything working, 100% tested everything out, we went ahead and tested this dang sauce out on all of our food, which this stuff is super fire. But this time we went ahead and went with a little smaller package right here. This is a dang sauce mini. It is TSA approved. You can take it anywhere you want, even on an airplane. This sucker can fit in your pocket, in a purse. And also, as you guys know, today is Prime Day and tomorrow is Prime Day, and these suckers are gonna be $9.99 on Amazon, free shipping. And I mean, dude, I'm telling you, man,
amazing deal, dude.
Amazing deal. If you haven't tried one of these out, now is your opportunity. Here is our bigger dang sauce, and here's a little bit smaller one right here. If you want to travel anywhere you want to go and take some dang sauce with you. I know we haven't done international shipping just yet, so you might just have to fly in, buy one here, and fly back with one of these.
Easily, dude.
But we are working on international shipping here really soon. But these suckers are going to be on Amazon, and they're going to probably go super quick. So you guys definitely want to check that out and cop one before they're all gone. Honestly, I don't know if we're going to be able to handle all the orders, man.
Dude, it's going to be crazy. I mean, dang sauce minis, these are insane. Look at these awesome little bottles. And it's the perfect starter. If you guys are kind of scared to get in the game, the dang sauce game, don't be. Now you can go ahead, buy you a little bottle, and go ahead, put it in your pocket, go to a restaurant, eat.
Dude, I'm telling you, I'm gonna carry a dang sauce with me everywhere I go now because of these dang sauce minis right here. The bigger ones, they're nice to have because you get a lot of dang sauce, but you know what? A mini is something easy, compact. You put it in your pocket,
take off running, dude.
Take off running down the road, man.
Go to your restaurant.
Man, super happy to announce this right here. We've been working on this for such a long time, and we got a lot more coming, so definitely be sure to visit Amazon. The link is going to be down below. Also, somewhere on the screen, I'm going to throw it up right here. Be sure to visit the link, copy some dang sauce, and help support your boys, and also help support your taste buds. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
upgrade your food experience. We had some goods over here. We had some shrimp, some calamari, some soup. I mean, we put it on literally everything, and it's just so good. Right, Pops? What do you think of everything, man?
Oh, yeah. It's very good tasty, you know.
Pops, everybody loves the dang sauce, even the little ones. You know what I mean?
You like it?
Yeah.
She loves it. I couldn't believe it. But you know what? The dang sauce speaks for itself. Be sure to copy one and, you know, change your life, really. But as of right now, we're gonna go ahead and clean up and we're gonna move on to the next thing.
Look how nice that looks, dude. That looks absolutely amazing. First off, we cleaned up the kitchen after eating. Dude, that dang sauce was amazing. Got that all knocked out. Then we moved on into here, stacked some cars up, brought in the Viper, the kit car, and the S2000, added the elements, put them up on that lift right there just to test it out, and that looks absolutely incredible. It looks super cool seeing a car super high up, dude. In the Viper, dude, that's amazing, dude.
I know that is pretty crazy to think about that. Yeah. It's a pretty expensive car way up there, but you know what? That's a bend pack lift and it's made for that.
Yes,
right
sir.
there,
And it looks super cool in this corner. You know, with all of our cars, we still got that scissor lift. We need to throw another car. I mean, this ain't even all of them. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we're gonna eventually bring everything over here, but that'll be later. We still got a bunch of work that we got to do, so we don't want to take up too much of this space right here.
Yeah, and also we want to clean the cars before we
Yes.
stack them, store them, and stuff like that. This is just a test run right here. And also we need to pass our final, so we did a cleanup in here, and all we got left is to basically finish up the outside. The office is gonna be done. Granted, it's gonna be here in like 2 days. They're gonna knock all that out, doors and stuff for the bathrooms. But out here, they're gonna finish up some dirt work, and then we're gonna dig that swell, and then so on and so forth. And this thing will probably be move-in ready.
That is right, and also the granite will be here Thursday, I believe so. So
in 2
next
days.
video, you guys will see that. And we even got this garage hooked up. Hit that button. Look how fast this sucker is.
This thing is quick, dude. That is awesome right there, dude.
Yep.
Quick garage door. This one still needs to get plugged up. He's just waiting on 2 final pieces. Plug that sucker up and we'll be good to go.
But that's gonna be pretty much a wrap for today's video, guys. We're super happy to be closing in on this Goon Squad garage build over here. But once this sucker is finished up, we got some super epic stuff planned. So make sure your post notifications are on. And also definitely be sure to copy some of that dang sauce because it's probably gonna go super quick as soon as we release this video. But with all that being said, thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Be sure to drop your comments and thoughts down below and we'll catch you guys next time. Peace.